To pursue a new city and a center hub, the new engine of innovative development in Hangzhou has started on its journey. Solis meticulously sought out this concept of station-city integration and designed it with exceptionally high standards. To provide leading-edge technology solutions, new greener energy, the average annual power generation is expected to reach 2.31 million kilowatts. Reliable product performance maximizes the power generation of the overall system. String-level monitoring enables intelligent information-based management of operation and maintenance, saving up to 830 tons of fossil fuel usage and reducing more than 2,300 tons of carbon dioxide emissions each year. To help Hangzhou to build a green transportation hub with beauty, ambience, digitization, and intelligence at its heart.